Hello, welcome to channel Maison Network, and thank you for watching for first. So today I'm gonna show you how to upgrade, or if you have this kind of TV. This is actually a Panasonic Viera Th-L32C3K Hdtv. Okay, and then I just want to show you what's the problem with this unupdate TV, which were if they have this SD card and also USB, right, slot. So so let's try with the USB slot. USB device connected, and then you go to remote SD card. Okay, and then I show you the video. So I show you my video because of copyright, right? Okay, if you notice, there's like stuck audio. Like after 3 seconds, then stuck something like you want, if you not really into detailing, you won't really hear the problem, but it's like stopping for a second. So this is the problem for this media player, for this TV. Okay, what we're gonna do, okay, then this is my song actually, Buruanmu Fit Animo ini. What you're gonna do, first of all, you get this SD card. I try with this SD card before, try slot in here, but it doesn't read. Okay, this doesn't read. So I took my video, my phone SD card, which is HC1U class 10 card, mini SD card, and then I put in the adapter. Make sure it's original adapter. If not, you won't show the real result. And then okay, so C10 UHS 1 SD adapter for micro SD, and I download first the software, the firmware, sorry, for this. Now I will give you the link below the video for Panasonic Viera Th-L32C3K Hdtv Firmware 2.015 DOS, file name P1112015 zip. So you're gonna download, and then after you download, you double click. How to show you? Wait. So this P1112015, you double click, so you extract. I already extract, yeah, but you extract first, and then it will show this file SDDL SEC, and then you transfer to your SD card, which were I use this adapter like I put here, and then connect to my OTG for my phone, and then transfer to the main page, the front page for your SD card, front, how to say, the front, not in folder, the SDL-SEC. Okay, so when you're done, I should open this first. So it's gonna be like this. So for the SD card slot, automatically verifying. There. Pick software pick software update content. Current version 2.013, new version 2.015. Press OK to download and return to exit. So I press OK. Start download. Yes. By the way, this TV is actually inside provided in the Eastern Hotel KL. So I like to, this is my thing, TV and everything, so I like to touch. If it happens you own this TV, then you can do it yourself. It's cheap now. Second hand, I think this TV only 300 ringgit if you want to find online. Okay, complete. Please follow the instruction. Please remove the media from the TV set. Please turn off the main power of the TV set. Please turn off. Please turn on the main power of the set. Okay, please remove. So push. Done. And then turn off the main power. Turn off the main power, which were oh, it's behind. I can't reach. Oh my god. It's behind there. I can't reach. Oh. So doesn't matter. At least you know how to. I show you how. So I'm not gonna do this also because of it's stuck there behind. I can't reach, so I can't update the TV. But this is how to update system. And after you're done, what is the it will fix the flickering of the video, so it will be smooth. Your video will be smooth when you watch from your SD card or USB. Okay, so that's it for TV Panasonic Viera. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. So I already update the video, the TV, sorry. Let's check. So with this USB. So before that, what's the benefit when you upgrade the software? improve for media player compatibility. So this is the step. And then by agree with TV version, you will benefit from improved image quality, fix various noise issue, enhance internet connectivity available, boosted stability and usability level, and as well as from several other change. Okay, but the main is the flickering. Let's see if it's flickering. Oh, still have flickering. I thought it's already fixed. Yeah, one. Yeah, flickering also. Oh, it's just no improvement. Let's see. Still. Let me set.